Jatend migao mar Labour Dr. Alfred Mutua ochiwo siem ne jogo mamanyo tije pinje maoko mondo mi obed motang' gi moko kuom agents ma ok opuodhi ma sani owuok oko mar choko omenda kuomgi ka giwuondore ni gidhi miyogi tije e pinjego. Mutua mane loso Mombasa e romo mane okelo kanyakla jogo manie sekta mar Labour mawuok e pinje mopogore ne bende okoni piny owacho temo keto maino e kedo ne Jokenya matiyo e pinje maoko yudo ratichgi. E romono ne gitwak ewi midhiero majuko jogo mawuok e pinjegi kadhi manyo tije e pinje makamago kod kaka ginyalo chuogo chike mabiro konyo e rakore gi midhieche makamago moting'o sand kaachiel gi nek.
So you need to be very clear. You need to know what to expect. And so we are starting to train people to ensure that they are well guided about when they go overseas what to expect. Number two, and this is very important, if you find an agency that is trying to recruit you to go overseas, before you sign up for this agency, do your normal due diligence. Go to National Employment Agency, look at the documents on the internet and try and see, is this agency registered? Do some bit of research. Don't go removing 200 to 50,000, giving to an agency and then wakienda unasema walienda pesa zako.
This platform is very important for us that we have today in Mombasa, that bringing together government, trade unions and employers to discuss how to protect workers from our respective countries, but equally from Eastern Horn of Africa, since we have a similar problem and a common problem.
Social dialogue is all about talking. To find any solution, we have to talk. Because everybody have their area of interest, be it the employers from the employer side, the workers from the worker side, as well as the government. So unless we discuss and agree to find a solution that is comfortable for all, we cannot move on.